folks, welcome to our new show. Now, I know a lot of you have seen us on Diesel Porn the Show. Well, this is called Just the Tip. It's a place where Austin and I are going to give you all kinds of tips to maintain your truck and advice to keep you from not having to spend as much money as you may potentially need in a bad situation. So today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics. Every time I interview a truck driver, I always ask them if there's something that they do, a tip or a trick or something that I don't know about yet that helps them maintain their stuff and keep their trucks running longer. And consistently, every single time, I am always told maintenance, staying on top of the maintenance. So today I'm going to give you an example of what happens when you don't. So what I have here is I have a torsion bar, I have a U-joint, and a slip yoke. Now, this little situation was something that needed to be maintained. And now I know, guys, a lot of times you just don't have the money, but if you do, this is an example of why you should. In this case, this torsion bar bent and came loose because what's left of this mounting bracket had the bolt snap. When that happened, it caused the axle to roll. When the axle rolled, it caused the slip yoke to come out of the drive shaft, which resulted in a broken slip yoke. And it also took out some of the straps on the other side. This one's okay, but it took out some of the straps on the U-joint on the other end. Now, all of this was caused by this. This goes in here. This bushing was bad. Now, what did this cost us? This cost us a day of running, a tow bill, and all of these parts versus replacing one part. Now, again, in all fairness, my boss is trying to get it taken care of, so I'm not downing on my boss. I'm just giving you guys an example of why maintenance is important and why you should always maintain your vehicles whenever possible. Till next time, I'm Topsoil Terry with Just the Tip.